Hey folks, Josh KERIEVSKY with another edition of Agile Q&A. This question is from Murray Robinson. He's asking, is DevOps the modern name for extreme programming? DevOps is not a competitor to Agile. It's not even an alternative. It is the modern XP. That's his question. All right, so Murray, of course, you know I love extreme programming. I spent a lot of time in the late 90s, doing extreme programming, and throughout the next decade, it's a very, very important practice. In fact, when people say to me, I want to learn how to implement an Agile process, I say, well, start with extreme programming. It's a great way to start. And yet, DevOps, or continuous delivery, was not really part of extreme programming back in the day. It was a natural extension of it, though. Continuous integration was a key part of extreme programming. However, continuous delivery came a little bit later. For me, it was about 2006 or 7 when I started learning about it and then practicing it. And it has been instrumental in letting us flow value to customers extraordinarily fast, shipping many times per day, right? So I don't believe that DevOps is the new XP. I think XP is its own set of fantastic practices that are really important to know even today. We still rely on test-driven development, on refactoring, on the concepts of continuous integration. And that means not just having a CI server, but understanding in your mind, how do I continuously integrate, especially into a main line, not branches. So a lot of the practices and principles of extreme programming, like simple design, right? Constantly looking to simplify your design. These things are still evergreen. They will probably never, go away. They're very, very important. So DevOps, I think, is a beautiful, it's like peanut butter and jelly. They go together beautifully, but I don't think DevOps is the new name for XP. I think it's just something that goes together with it beautifully. And it's very important to have a DevOps practice. I'm one of these people that would say, you don't need a DevOps team, you need DevOps capability within your team, right? The entire point is to have developers and operations people either working together or developers doing what operations people used to do manually, doing it with automation and with good programming practices. That's to me what true DevOps is, and it's ultimately about the customer. How can we create an environment that lets us get value into the customer's hands as quickly as possible? So I hope that answers your question, and thanks for asking it.